Infinite power exists inside of you. With imagination and faith, your desires come true. The power you hold is beyond compare. Unlocking your potential, you can take yourself anywhere. You are a divine being with infinite power inside. Create the life you want. Don't just sit there and hide. Imagine your dream and let it become real. With belief and action, your life's fate you can seal. With positive thinking and visual control, your infinite power comes from assuming that role. You are the driver of your own life's road, walking toward your dreams carrying a heavy load. Believe that you can achieve, that power is in your hand, and nothing can stop you from reaching your promised land.